take a look at the biggest news stories from India and around the world. First, a major security development from Paschim Bengal. The West Bengal STF has arrested Rana Roof near Bangaon, close to the India-Bangladesh border. He is allegedly accused of living in India using fake documents under the name Wahab Alam and attempting to flee to Bangladesh. Following his interrogation, Mohammad Ejaz was also arrested from Kolkata's Topsia area. Investigating agencies are now examining their alleged connection and possible links with Pakistan's intelligence agency, ISI. Meanwhile, Parliament's monsoon session ended amid protests and heated exchanges. On the final day, NDA and opposition MPs were seen facing off inside the Parliament complex. The opposition targeted the government over alleged police action against students, the Ram Mandir donation theft issue, and the absence of Grih Mantri Amit Shah. NDA MPs, meanwhile, protested over the alleged lathi charge on students in Jharkhand and issues related to Rahul Gandhi. Amid continued sloganeering and confrontation, the monsoon session concluded. The FCRA bill also remained a major point of confrontation between the government and the opposition. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill has been referred by the Lok Sabha to a 31-member Joint Parliamentary Committee or JPC. Kendriya Rajya Mantri Nityanand Rai moved the proposal, which was approved amid disruptions. Congress, the Samajwadi Party and other opposition parties opposed the bill, calling it anti-minority, while the JDU backed the government's position. The JPC will now examine the provisions of the bill and is expected to submit its report during the first week of the winter session. In Jharkhand, the protest by JPSC and JSSC aspirants has entered its 20th day. Students continue to protest at Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium in Ranchi, with 6 students reportedly on hunger strike. They are demanding a CBI investigation into alleged irregularities in the 14th JPSC examination, backlog examinations and JSSC CGL, along with reforms in the examination system and accountability for those responsible. Former Chief Minister Raghuvar Das has meanwhile given the government a 1-week ultimatum. He said he would go on hunger strike himself if the government does not recommend a CBI probe. And finally, a serious development from Balochistan in Pakistan. An alleged Pakistani airstrike in the Gidia area of Surab district has triggered controversy. According to local reports and claims by Balak activists, more than 30 people, including women and children, were killed. Some reports have put the civilian death toll at 28. However, conflicting figures have emerged and the casualty numbers have not been independently verified. Several houses are also reportedly damaged, with fears that people could still be trapped under the debris.